Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Paul. Welcome to DexFXMarkets.com. Today is Friday, the 28th of August, and it's almost 1300 GMT. So what I thought I'd do is I'd pop over and see if there's any trades I can put on in the next minute. Bearing in mind it is a Friday and things can tend to be a little bit volatile as all the people are jockeying for first place, I suppose you'd like to call it, for the weekend. Okay, nothing in the AUD JPY, AUD USD, nothing. Euro Great British Pound, nothing. In fact, it's got nothing because it's not quite 1300 yet. Just wait. Another few seconds, I suppose. Me getting ahead of myself. That's better. A nice cup of coffee. Flip through here. Whilst we're waiting. This, of course, is the Dex Atomic trading view platform that we now utilize, only because it's been giving us superb results. And here we go. 12 o'clock, nothing on the AUD JPY and nothing on the AUD USD. Let's have a look at the Euro Great British Pound. Okay, nice upward arrow. It's been coming down, it's been bouncing off of here. And so I will go for as near to the support line as I can. So we're looking at the Euro Great British Pound. And why isn't there anything here? Because I keep forgetting I'm in a different time zone to everybody else, so the pairs won't be showing up yet. But if we move to the Euro JPY, again we have an up arrow. It's been flirting a lot with this support line here, but there's also a very good downward trend happening. Let's just scroll back a bit. It does make you wonder when I see that. So looking left, there's nothing really left apart from here where they've touched. So I might just go for that 125.375 on one. Three, 4. 35, 3, 4. Yeah. Or 4, 4. I'll go for the 4, 4. It's bang on the line, and so we'll see what happens. And it's an upward trend, so we should go at 55. Place the order. It's just something about this support line I quite like. Okay, let's move on one more. Nothing in the Euro USD. There wouldn't be the Great British Pound JPY again. That's at a different zone. I'll just show you that. Great British Pound JPY, you see. Nothing for us yet. Okay, moving on to the Great British Pound USD. You will notice that I have highlighted the ones that I can utilize during my timeline at this specific time of day. So moving on, the only other one is USD JPY, and that has an upward arrow as well. So let's have a look at this. Again, nice downward trend happening. And for some reason, they all seem to have playing around in this little area here, this little channel. So if I go for 105 2-3 as near as I can to it. 10522. So it's an upward. Yeah, I think that's fine. Yeah. Okay, and again, being an upward marker, I will place my order there. Okay, so I have two orders in, working orders, and it's at 55 minutes, 50 seconds to go. Plenty of time. So I've got to disappear out, and we shall come back, or I shall come back, and we will see what has happened. Right, I shall see you in a few seconds here, but it'll actually be in about 4 hours for myself. Okay, speak to you all later. Cheers now, bye. Yes, I'm back. This is something like 4 hours later. I've been out, just come back. And so the first thing I want to do is, I know from my emails that I've had 2 winners anyway, the last 2, even though I did push one of them a bit fine. So let's pop into Nadex. Obviously I have to go back to the old Nadex to get my history. And the last 6 hours of view history. Let's have a look. Look at that. All winners. Absolutely superb, both them winners. I mean, I know with the Euro JPY, I pushed that a bit fine. Ordinarily I wouldn't do, but it seemed too good to be true. I'll just copy this and go to that. So the Euro JPY, I came in here at 440, which was here, it had the upward arrow, and I was looking for somewhere here. I could have actually gone a lot lower, but that was the nearest and the closest that I had. And having faith in the signal, and looking left, there wasn't a great deal anything, as I said, to the left of when the signal came out. However, that looked a very strong support and resistance line, and I was rather hoping, more guesswork than anything, that it wasn't going to break through and stay. I was hoping that it wasn't to do what it did and touched, and true to the arrow, it came up and was an absolute winner, totally smashed it. And the other one I think was the USD JPY. Let's have a look, double check on that. I'm sure it was the JPY. Yes, USD JPY. So again, looking at this, let's just increase it, enlarge it, and 12 o'clock, signal came out, went for a buy, came down, and that's what I said before. Again, support and resistance lines here, 2 of them absolutely superb. So of course it came down, hit them, and bounced straight back up. Absolutely superb. Oh, and there's the doorbell, old-fashioned. But there you go. So again, 2 winners, and on a Friday. I don't like to trade Fridays because they can be a bit volatile. But yeah, it's just to show you that, yeah, the system does work. And even if I did cut it a bit fine, which I know I shouldn't have done, but there you go. So anyway, this is Paul signing off for now. And again, it's Friday the 28th of August. The time now is 16:53. And yep, it works. So if you've stumbled across this video, we'd like it very much indeed if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that way we can keep you up to date with everything that's happening at dexfxmarkets.com. For all you traders out there, trade well, trade securely, and trade responsibly. Everybody else, we hope to see you in the inside. Have a fantastic weekend. Bye now.